morning. My name is Amarendranath Sasmal. I take care of All India marketing and sales for Shibaura Machine India. Shibaura Machine India is a Japanese firm having plants in Japan, Thailand, China and India. India plant is there since 1991. Initially it was a tie-up with DMAC, and then later on we changed hand to Toshiba Machine, and in 2020 this company name has been changed to Shibaura Machine. We are into manufacturing injection molding machines from 40 tons to 1300 tons toggle, RAM machines from 280 tons to 850 tons, and all electric machines from 50 tons to 3000 tons, plus die casting machines, machine tools, robo systems and many other things. And in this exhibition we are demonstrating a 150 ton machine which is running a ice cream container cap. It is 8 cavity mold with a running with a 5-second cycle time, and it has got all the latest features, and machine is equipped with a lot of hydraulics and controls, lot of upgradations to take care of the demanding, challenging applications of today. And apart from this machine, we are demonstrating air-cooled chillers manufactured by us, master batch dosers which can be used for both injection molding and extrusion and other plastic machinery also, and direct and indirect mold cooling temperature controllers, and also honeycomb dryers which have been firstly introduced recently. Apart from this, we also have other products like demodifying dryers, loading solutions, grinding solutions, which have been clearly demonstrated in our stall. It is a TD 150 ton machine which has got eccentric load bearing support for the moving platen, and the tie bars which are there to guide rather than taking the load. And then we have a 5-point twin toggle mechanism which ensures low dry cycle time and better mold safety, and also fast toggle locking. And we have a uniform force distribution through 5-point twin toggle mechanism. Apart from that, we have a sun wheel and planet gear mechanism to ensure a long life for the tie bar. On the plasticizing side, we have a unique 20:1 L/D ratio for screw and barrel to ensure better melt homogeneity, and with a patented screw technology to take care of very good melt homogeneity, color dispersion, and for processability with many of the materials. Thank you for visiting our stall.